Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Solognac Hunting Backpack 20 litres. When I first saw this bag on the Decathlon website, I thought it'd make a great lightweight backpack for travelling, as well as hiking and other outdoor activities, or just for an EDC backpack. Unfortunately though, it only comes in two colours, of which is the Army Olive Green and the Camouflage Pattern colour. The backpack is excellent value at just $12.99 US, which is about 19 Australian and $9.99 British pounds. The design of the bag is quite straightforward, with a few Molly Webb straps on the front, which are compatible with the other Solognac X-Access pouches, one of which I reviewed earlier. You can click in the top right to see that one. I wish the main compartment had a full zippered panel loading configuration, but unfortunately it's just a 3/4 zip. Inside of the bag there's no extra pockets or compartments, just a big wide open area. There's a spacious front pocket, which is handy for small items as well. In terms of comfort, the straps are actually quite thin and the padding doesn't feel very substantial. Still, though, it's quite comfortable to wear even with a full load, and there's a built-in sternum strap which slides up and down for extra load bearing. One thing I really like about this bag is just how lightweight it is while empty. It's only 265 grams or 9.3 ounces, which makes it one of the lightest 20-litre backpacks that I've ever seen. In terms of capacity, I actually was able to pack quite a lot into the bag, including my fully loaded clothing cube, tech pouch, toiletries, camera cube, and my laptop does slide down the back, but there's no padding or extra sleeve to keep it protected. The front pocket also fits my Nintendo Switch. The 600 denier polyester fabric is somewhat water resistant, but water will still soak in through the zipper compartments and the seams, so I wouldn't use it in heavy rain, but a splash shouldn't hurt it. Overall, it's a really great lightweight 20-litre backpack, and would suit a wide range of activities. I do wish it came in black and had a full-length zipper, but for the price it's a great deal. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what is your favourite backpack for day packing or for hiking, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.